Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now, let's look at the first question. What are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. So, first of all, the stomata are the openings, or rather I should say the pores that are present on the leaves, right? The two functions of stomata are, first of all, it helps in the transpiration. That means the evaporation of the water takes place through stomata, and apart from that, it helps in exchange of gases, right? So these are the two functions of the stomata. Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? So definitely there are two important functions. First of all, it creates a suction pull, right? So it creates a suction pull that allows the upward movement of the water from the roots towards the leaf. Then, apart from that, it also cools the surface of the plant, so provides a cooling effect. Right, so whenever we see that it's really hot, the transpiration rate increases because of definitely the temperature. Also, it helps in keeping the temperature of the plant cool, right? So the next question is, they are pipe-like structure consisting of group of specialized cells. They transport substances and form a two-way traffic in plants. Which of the following terms qualify for the features mentioned above? So they are pipe-like and they have specialized cells. They transport substances and form a two-way traffic in plants. These are the vascular tissues, right? It's not just the phloem tissue, it's not just the phloem tissue. The vascular tissue contains both xylem and phloem, right? And both of these have a similar feature, right? So that's why the answer to this question is vascular tissue. In a tall tree, which force is responsible for pulling water and minerals from the soil? So it is the suction force that is produced or that is formed by the transpirational pull. Because of this particular pull, we see that the body that is in the tall trees, the water is pulled up, and all the water and minerals are transported from the soil to all the parts of the plant. Water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants in shade, in dim light, under the fan, or covered with a polythene bag. So it can be increased if you put the plant under the fan, so that what happens is, when the fan is it produces the wind. Because of that, the rate of transpiration increases, and because of this increase in rate of transpiration, the water absorption will also increase. So in this way, students, in this chapter we talked about the transportation of the animals as well as of the plants. I hope you were able to understand both of these features quite easily.